If you don't have these two things in life, dog, I'm telling you, you gotta have these two things right here. People lack confidence so much. I see it all the time. They want to make money. They want to start business. They want to start a business. They want to date. They want to have a relationship. They want life success, but they still have confidence issues. Why? Why aren't you tackling that? It's not the job. It's not the outer circumstance. All the answers, all the problems are from within. So if you don't tackle the confidence issues that you have, all the money, the job, the relationship, all that shit, your purpose, that shit don't matter. The confidence is the number one prerequisite before anything, before you start on your journey of your purpose, because your purpose, that's going to be hard. It's going to demand sacrifice. It's going to demand responsibility. It's going to demand you step out of your comfort zone. But if you ain't willing, if you haven't built your confidence up, you're fucking hosed. So the number one thing that I would say is build your confidence. That's number one. How do you do it? You stack wins all day. You got to show yourself on the days that you don't feel like getting up, on the days that you don't want to, you get the fuck up and you prove to yourself of this is who I am. This is the man or woman that I said in my mind, how I visualized it, who I'm going to be today. And you just stack wins. And I want you to show yourself that you can do hard shit. When you show yourself that you can overcome hard stuff, whether it's alcohol, pills, anxiety, drugs, depression, or just getting the fuck out of bed. Sometimes that's hard shit, you know? If you can overcome that daily, that's how we raise our baseline confidence. And after 6 months or a year, it's going to slowly come up and be up. And you're going to look back and be like, damn, you know? So a lot of people who are 55 years old, they still have a confidence level of 12 years old. They're still living in the past. They still have past trauma that they haven't faced. They haven't looked themselves in the mirror and been like, what's up? Because if you don't stare yourself in the mirror and look yourself dead square in the eyes and be like, who the fuck am I? Where's my confidence at? Where's my self-esteem at? Where do I stack? You're delusional. You don't know yourself. So if you keep going outward and thinking that that's going to solve your inner issues, external solutions do not solve internal problems. The confidence, it takes honesty. It takes courage, but that's the number one thing. The second thing is purpose. You must have purpose. If you're getting up for your 9 to 5 thinking, oh, me, let's get that paper, let's get that money. Dog, that's not how you make the world a better place. You do your part, I'll do my part. Your pain is your purpose. My pain is my purpose. So if your pain is drugs and alcohol, go gift that to the world. If my pain is lack of self-esteem, lack of self-belief, I'm going to go show people how to do that. That's how we do it together. But if everybody's still after their own shit, their own money, getting mine, dog, we ain't making, we are the problem. That is the problem. So what it is, it's impact over income. By the time you're 32 years old, you should already have become an asset to the world. Any room that you walk into, here comes Susie, Johnny, whoever the fuck, and you walk into that room and you have at least one thing of value. Whether it be your purpose or confidence or intelligence, creativity, or something, you should be an asset wherever you walk into. It's impact over income. Income will come into your life as you chase your purpose, as you help people. That's what people don't get. When you start a business, you're not starting a business to be like, all right, I'm going to sell this product for this amount of money. No, you sell a solution to a problem. You sell a solution to somebody's anxiety, somebody's confidence issues, somebody's past trauma. That's what people don't get, is do that. So it's impact over income, confidence, purpose, and let's ride it out. If you like this video and it resonates with you, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe and share it. Motherfucker, let's step up.